Hi, this is Jack Dever Design and Build, with part 2 of our video showing our exterior restoration project in Pike. Here is the photo showing the front of the house. There's a garage in the house. Again, the roofing and all the siding is going to be replaced. This front overhang here is going to be removed, a new front door with a new front porch, which I'll show you in a moment. Jumping over to the rear of the home. Again, same thing, roofing, siding, wall be replaced. The windows were around the house were replaced by the homeowner from Pella over the last couple of years. But this rear deck is going to be removed. A lower patio that you can see here is going to be removed. And this retaining wall that's actually falling apart is going to be removed, and those steps too. This retaining wall here in the background is in great shape, so we're going to leave that one intact. Jumping over to the drawings, we have a demolition plan that shows the rear deck being removed and some steps coming down to it. And the front of the house, again, shows the door that's going to be replaced, the front stoop, and this walkway that goes to the driveway is going to be replaced too. Again, there's that retaining wall that's going to be left in place. And then the shows, again, demolition plan showing that rear concrete patio being torn out and removed, along with that retaining wall as mentioned before, and some steps. Jumping forward to the lower level area of the new plan, shows a concrete stamped concrete patio that's going to be installed. And all these little circles here and that you can see throughout, those are the supporting posts for the rear deck that's going to wrap around. This right here is going to replace that retaining wall that is actually caving in. This is a well, a planter well that's going to be built on an angle. He can, be 4 sides of concrete block that will have soil in it, so you can plant plants in it over a period of time. So it's actually serving 2 purposes: one, to retain that hillside here, and also a planting area too. And here's some steps that'll go up to the deck. And this is another retaining wall that has to support the garage here, because the garage foundation doesn't go down as far as the house here. So that once we get done building that wall and building that concrete pad for those steps, we'll infill that with decorative stone. And jumping over to an elevation here on the front of the house. You can see the new front stoop here, actually porch, a couple columns with a porch roof, a new stoop, new front door with a side light. So that'll really dress up that area of the house as well. And then the rear of the house is really where it takes a lot of changes happening here. We have, of course, the new wraparound deck here with a supporting roof above here and here to provide protection against rain and such, and some steps coming down. We're using a cable railing system on it, and everything's going to be constructed, finished I should say, for the deck, post, and roofing in cedar. So it's going to be a long-lasting material. He likes the natural wood, the homeowner does, so we went with that alternative instead of pressure treated. On the side here, you can see a cut through of the privacy fence right here. That's just different widths and thicknesses of slat cedar that's going to protect him and shield him from the adjoining neighbor. And let's see what else I can show you here. There's a lot of diagrams that involve supporting, for example, that retaining wall that I mentioned earlier. You can see we have to put in a full footer block to retain that material, a lot of drainage, so that over a period of time that supporting wall, retaining wall, will not fail. That's really important. And then a quick show of the bench detail. We're putting in a couple benches on the deck. We had to go to great lengths to show all the detail that he wants to see on the actual bench itself. He's going to have a planter box behind it. Again, constructed out of pressure-treated material and everything faced in cedar. And you can show the decking material here. That bench detail is going to be right above here, and this detail right here. So this is where the bench and planter box shelves are going to be. So anyway, you can see the capabilities of what our company can do for clients. This is going to be a fantastic project for the client. It's really going to turn things around for him and be able to sell this house quickly. And again, real quick before I sign off, here's the stamped concrete walkway with the new stoop and for the porch in the front of the house. All right, if you have any questions, you can learn more about my company at devordesignandbuild.com. devordesignandbuild.com. Have a great day. Bye-bye.